This video I am going to show you how to prevent fraud. Can be delivery fraud, forging signatures fraud. So what brought me to this was a lot of drivers were basically delivery drivers, such as, that work for the largest delivery companies. They were forging the signatures of customers to avoid deliveries and packages and things like that. And also checks, a lot of forgeries for checks, a lot of forgeries for just a lot of fraud out there, real estate fraud. But this here is aimed at for the way to prevent or stop delivery drivers from forging the signatures of customers. All right. So I'm going to run through this very fast at first so you can see that it does not take a lot of time. Okay? It's not going to take a lot of time. All right. So I'm going to run through it first before explaining it, and then I'm going to come back and explain every step. So this is a checkout from an e-commerce site, and I'm going to add a note. So merchant and the delivery driver now has my order number. Okay. And they know that this is the signature. The delivery driver arrives. Now the delivery driver is at my door, so I'm going to go ahead and put driver delivered order. So that was it. Let me explain everything that just happened. We see the signature right here. That signature matches the signature that the buyer required to have signed. So when the delivery driver arrives, he says, "Hey, here's your package, sign." And I, who ordered the package, I say, driver delivered the order number 298430, which is the same as this order number here. And it also has the signature required, so the driver will see this signature and give me the package. Now let me go ahead and explain how the signature was obtained. So on howwasyourfood.com, when you go to howwasyourfood.com/anti-fraud, you'll see a cache code. This is your signature. And what do I mean? As you can see here, enter code here, number.place.name. So you can enter in your secret number. It could be, 99 or 1,000 or 10 million, right? Enter in your secret number, dot place, and it could be any place. Doesn't have to be a dot. It can be any character. You can put any place in the world. Dot or any character. A name. And as you saw, as we were typing, this public code is the same, or will be the same, as your signature. See this right here? 121E3. That's my signature that I wanted to use. So I can generate my secret You see 121. Now only I know what letters, numbers, characters took to get this 121 public address. Now if there's one thing off and the signature changes. So only I am able to create that 121 signature, right? And that is the signature, the public signature. That's what I gave to the merchant. So let's say that the driver tries to forge the signature and says, and places, some bullshit because he doesn't have my secret code, my number, place, and name. If he tries to put a signature, it's going to be something completely different. Like, and then obviously you see this signature is not the same as the one required here to the merchant. So if the driver or anybody says order delivered, and we put that in there, this right here would be shown as a forgery. This one is a forgery, and this one is the real deal, because this one matches. This one does not. Okay? Now there will be instances where this signature can write a note and say, hey, if I'm not available, this signature will be accepted, right? But that will be in the blockchain. All right? But this is how forgeries can be basically prevented in nearly almost impossible to forge unless the driver sees his signature, which matches what the customer requested, then the driver's done their job. Go to howisyourfood.com/anti-fraud. It has to be HTTPS. Make sure you have this this lock here. Test out. Make sure you can write it down. It's best you write it down, but type out, a number, then a place, then a name. Doesn't have to be your name. This is just an easy way. This is just an easy way to, I guess, kind of like remember. And copy your public code. Again, it's public. It's not your secret. Keep your secret. Just copy the public code and leave your public code in the comment, and I'll send you some tokens so you can try it out and test it out on the platform. All right? And if you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Leave them in the comments as well. Thank you.